Alright, we got the tools section at Costco. Yes, this is Costco Mexico, and we're going to be looking at the difference on the products. See what tools that they have that we don't have in the United States. And also we're going to be looking at the prices. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way to roast the platform by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. To start here, we got the charcoal grill. This is from Masterbuilt. This is around $343. That's the approximate amount. I haven't seen this at my Costco, but as it is charcoal. So, and you can raise and lower the charcoal so you guys can have the temperature, and it does have some other features in there. So that's actually pretty nice. I never seen something like this at my Costco. You got some Energizer batteries. This is some batteries and a charger. This one's 659 pesos to $34. Comes down to $34. You got another next grill here. I believe I've seen this one at my Costco. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys got any of these products. If you guys have seen any of these products in your Costco near you, so let us know. You got a fireplace here. This is like an external fireplace. It's really nice. It's $290. I know the prices look like it's really expensive, but it's I try to put the dollar amount there. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. I never seen this at my Costco either. The Generac, I believe I have. They don't have these specific models, but this is the GP3600 Generac. This one's 502. It's not too bad. It says right there, excuse the noise, the train is just going by. You got a 6050 GP 6050. And then this that's it right there. It does come with the wheels. This one's 740, so it's not too bad. A little on the pricier side. Like I said, let me know down in the comment section what these prices compare to your Costco in here in the United States. And this is a pressure washer, 3,100 psi. So this one's kind of pricey. And then you got the Carter. You guys seen that? I guess these are famous down here too. That's the K3 model. And then this one's 161 or 169. So it looks pretty nice. And then you got a vacuum, which I never seen before, never heard about this. I don't even know if this is a brand. So it's heavy duty 6-gallon back Koblenz, $79. That's what it looks like, Koblenz or Koblenz. This one does have some accessories there. And then you got a Michaels. This is a toolbox with tools inside with some drawers. So this one's kind of pricey at $174. The tools they are gone, missing. Some of them are gone. So I don't know. Somebody's been using those tools. And then you got some more there. Then you got the Michaels hammer drill. This is a hammer drill. Pretty much all the basic stuff that you see in a hammer drills from the United States. You got the RPM there, and then you got the hammer, the GPM, which is the IPM, impacts per minute, and that's the price. So on 132, not too bad. I don't know exactly who makes this or what it looks like. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys see another brand that's here from the United States that looks like this. Maybe the Harbor Freights, because it does have the metal chuck. It is 20 volts. The batteries look, I don't know what they look like, but let me know down in the comment section if you want me to pick something up like that and put it against the United States brands, maybe the entry-level brands there. You got the Diablo. It's not Diablo, it's just a yes, guys, they sell motorcycles apparently in the Costco's in Mexico, which I should have just gotten one of these babies and brought it to the US. I don't know if I could do that. I probably could. You get a Workman heavy duty 250 cc. So obviously you're not going to win any races with this one. This one's going to be mostly like a cruiser or like a work, bike, basically a delivery bike. Does have some nice rubber in it. Looks like some off-road tires. It is 250 cc model. 2022, so it is 2022 from last year basically. You got some weights there, which I never seen at my Costco, especially those motorcycles. I never seen at my Costco. In Mexico, I believe I never seen them in Mexico either. So I guess they do have them. So these are the weights, and then you have to pick the boxes because it's 3 out of 5, 4 out of 5, 2 out of 5. So you do have. And then I seen these at my Costco. This is electric bicycles, bike. It's 140. It's $1,481. And then you got some paint here. Vin Plus. I never heard about this brand, so it's $42 a piece. And then you got a safe. So, and I don't know if I've seen a safe like this. I believe not. The ones that we see here are digital. So, like I said, let me know down in the comment section if you guys seen this. This one's $211. And then we got another tool section here we got to look at. So this is a cable reel. This one's Master Plug. Never heard about that brand. So $24. Not too bad. It looks pretty good. Does have some USB ports and 4 different outlets. Pretty nice bright green, so you won't step on it, I guess, and trip over it. Nice, easy to see. So that's pretty nice. You got some LED lights, 4-piece, from Fate Electric. Never seen these before at my Costco. It's 500 lumen. They do come with batteries. If you guys want to remodel your home, I guess if you guys want to come down here and pick one of these babies up, I guess. Different styles that they have down here. This one $121. And you got some more stuff there to remodel. I'm not going to go over all the prices on those, but this one's very interesting. The different, it's like a floating faucet or floating. So this one's $502. And then you got some more bathroom accessories here, different because these are kind of shiny. I never seen shiny ones before. Well, I have, but you know, they're usually you see the nickels and the matte finish on it, but you don't see shiny stuff like this. So this one's $74, and then you got the battery pack, 1978, the Duracell battery pack. So I would have to compare that to my regular Costco. And I guess these are on sale that they have 25% off. You got the rags here, $16. I believe we've seen this cheaper at our Costco's here in the United States. I never seen these this brand here, Lift Master, at least in my Costco. I know that Lift Master does make them, but never seen this specific model. And then you got a Schumacher. This is Charger Maintainer. This one's 152, 200 amps. That's pretty good. Got a 3-ton low profile jack. It looks like the one from Harbor Freights. And then that one, that's the way it looks like. Pretty nice. Pretty much the basic Harbor Freight jack. This one's $179. Not too bad, I guess, for being, you know, in another country. You got a car cover here. It says small. This one's $42. And then you got a medium. And then you got, yeah, same price pretty much. You got a large. And then that is the, I don't know why you would have, you know, same price on that one. This one's wiper fluid. This a bigger bottle. This one's $7.80, so that's pretty cheap. It must be a local brand or something like that. You got some oil. So very different. They got a Chevron oil here. It's different. I don't think I've seen this brand in my Costco. It's $54. It's kind of priced. It might be, you know, a little different from your conventional. You got $44. It's actually kind of pricey, even for being a Costco brand on the other one. Same price on this one. Alright, so we got some more stuff here. WD-40. This one's maybe made here in Mexico. It's $10.52 with 2 cans. And then this one's it's like a truck, some sort of platform truck with wheels. $142. So I guess it does. You can put it into a basket or put it flat. The wheels are at the bottom, and 265-pound capable. That's pretty nice. Never seen this at Stanley at my Costco. You got some nice rubber wheels. Your casters. Now you got a work table here. This is a wood top work table. It is height adjustable. It says 48 inches. It's the work top table. Adjustable. So I guess you can stand or sit down or be in a stool or something like that. This one's $169. Kind of pricey, but if it's adjustable, it might be a good investment. Guys, that's it for today. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about these prices, about these products, especially a motorcycle. I think that motorcycle would be nice to buy and just play around with it. I don't know if you could use that on street, but maybe off-road or something like that. Just play around. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.